are in the UK.
Yes.
It is cold as Eskimo's nose.
Yeah.
Good morning, people.
Good morning, people. Guess where we are?
Yep.
Family surprise is out again.
We're out again. This time we won't keep it a secret.
No.
We're heading to the UK, we're heading to London.
Yeah.
And we'll be there for a couple days. We're not going to central London, but the plan is
to have a day out in London.
right. So we will try our best to make it happen.
Yeah, we're gonna see Queenie.
You know.
Yeah.
If everything goes to plan, then we'll be in central London, because we've been to London so many times, but that was before we were bloggers.
Yeah.
So we thought if we're going to England and you're going to London, it'd be nice.
You guys.
Go to central London and show you all the landmarks, and maybe it inspire you guys to visit London. London tourist board too. So that's it for the moment.
Yeah, it's very early in the
Early
morning.
in the morning. It's minutes after 7. And the trio is here. In there. And wife for life. So where's the family? We are in the UK.
Yes, it's a sunny day, as you can see.
It is cold as Eskimo's nose.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do now, because we're actually going to one of our friends' place.
Yeah.
Well, not one of our friends, Zena.
Zena, you know Zena.
You know? So what we gotta do now, we just got out of the airport. Not the airport, we're still at the airport, but we need to
outside of the
find a bus.
Find a bus that's going to take us to the train station, because this time we're not renting a car.
No.
So we promised to vlog the minute we landed, and we have landed. So we're going to wrap it up real quick because it is cold.
Yeah.
So, ciao for now. Where are we?
Luton Parkway.
Luton Parkway, London.
Train station.
And we are waiting for our train. The reason why I look like an Eskimo at the moment is because I feel like one. Hold on.
You do it. You came prepared. I didn't. I've got a hat, but it's in my bag somewhere, and scarf. Maybe I should put it on.
Yeah. Came prepared. I've got a hat as well, but they've got hair. He's got a cap. She's got a whole lot of hair in her head. And look what's going on up here. Can't be risking this right here. That says prone to pneumonia in this kind of weather. You know? I think they say it's below 0. I don't really understand Celsius. I only understand Fahrenheit. So my guess it would be about 22 degrees. She's Eskimoing up. There she go. Yeah. Yeah. It's really cold. Maybe this is actually our train and we don't know. So, if there's someone we can ask. But there's no one there. It says there. Let's see if I can get that. What does it say?
No, it's going.
Okay, it's not our train. Anyway, probably vlog again when we're on the train.
Yep.
So, peace from Iceland, UK. Oh, we're in a nice toasty train now.
Yes, nice and warm.
So I can come back to black and use the Eskimo. He's still in Eskimo mode.
You just gotta warm up a little bit first.
Yeah. So the UK is really, really, really cold.
Will shortly be arriving at
Colder than
change here
Switzerland.
for other national rail services.
So
enjoy the ride.
we will enjoy the ride. You know, not gonna give you it's the first time we're driving this route, so we don't know how scenic or non-scenic it is.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna hop from here, and the next time you see us, we will be here. Vlogging makes time travel looks
Awesome.
in reality, truth be told, we just endured. I wouldn't say
3 hours of.
we took the train, which you guys see. We took the train to Bedford, and from Bedford we had to take a bus. We didn't realize that the bus was going to take over an hour.
No.
And then
He got lost.
then the driver got lost. And then we finally found where we're going. Didn't realize I was going to stop at another town called Wellingborough. Yeah, Wellingborough, I would say. And then we finally got to Corby, you know. And we took some awesome picture of the Corby station. So we will put one in the clip for you right now. Check this out. Oh, yeah. That was us in Corby.
Welcome to my house.
Z has been thoughtful. She left us a bottle of
red wine.
She
We're
know
red
that.
wine enthusiasts. So
Right. And,
thank you, Z.
guys are.
so thank you, Z. This is Benrock Station. I've heard of this wine before. You know, I'm not so sure I didn't focus there. So let's try that again. Benrock Station. Focus, focus, focus. We're gonna search through these refrigerators, see if there's any food. Search through our cupboard because we are hungry. We haven't eaten anything since we've left Zurich. When we left early in the morning, the appetite was not all the way up.
We're not breakfast people.
No, not at all. But now we are hungry. It seemed like Z's got plans for us. I think that's a casserole. It seemed like she's got there. So that's supposed to go in the oven.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I say we are a guest, but when she's not here, it's our house.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we take care of it. You know?
Where's the alcohol?
You know, so.
So today was planes, trains, and automobiles.
Indeed, indeed. I like that. I like
Yeah,
that.
thank you.
I like that.
So we're gonna find something to eat, something to drink, kick back, wait for Zena to come home,
And then sign on back
and
again.
then sign on. Yes. So later.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Peace.
We ran to the store to grab us a little something, something.
Some old favorites
And some new.
for him.
New for me. If you know about England, you know, like every country have their favorite foods.
Yes.
And when it comes to England, everybody know you have to have fish and chips. You know, fish and chips is a big thing in England. So while we were at the little corner store, we saw a chip shop. and we decided to go inside. Wife for Life decided she was gonna get some good old British chips that she hasn't had in years. And I've heard and seen a lot about pies, meat pies in England. But even though I've lived in England before for almost a decade, I've never tried it. So today I thought,
Now's the time.
I only live once, got a bit ballsy, and I decided to, you know, to get me yours.
Pie. That's your pie.
Come on. So this is a pie, and because it's my first time having mince pie, I decided
Steak and kidney pie.
steak and kidney pie. I decided this has to be on camera because it's kind of like
Look at that
And it's-
golden wonder potato.
at this certain moment. Oh, it's hot. So this is what the pie looks like. Look like any other pie, you know, cherry pie, pumpkin pie, you know. It looks like a pie, but it's got meat inside instead of fruits, which is pretty British. So I'm assuming that you eat it with a fork. That's right? Okay. So,
The filling might be hot, so get a plate.
alright, let's take it from the veteran here. Okay.
I'll hold it for you.
Well, hold on. Let me adjust the camera because we need this thing to be. There you go. Let me see. Here. Yep. So. Oh. It's very crusty. It's supposed to be like that.
Good old pastry.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Yeah, the toppies.
So should let's take the top off.
I'm actually not that crispy. Probably put it in the microwave too long.
Microwave.
Oh wow. It's like a Jamaican patty. Alright.
It's nice.
Let's get down to the pie part.
I'll have that bit.
Okay.
That was the best bit, the crust.
Now let me get into. Back up. Let me get into what she calls the best bit. On the fence.
You have to take some of that pastry down there too, not just the meat. Eat it all together.
Okay.
The veteran.
This is how you eat a British pie. It's okay. It could grow on me. You know, considering that I like patties, Jamaican patty, it could grow on me. But this is my first time, so
These are pucker pies. When we were younger, when I was younger I should say, we used to have fleur-de-lis and they were the best. Pucker pies, they're okay.
what's the difference?
Speaking from experience, different people.
Okay.
I think this pastry here is the best.
What am I supposed to do with this? Just break it in. I'm
Hold
back
it,
to baby
hold it.
stage. You're about to feed me. So there are ways to eat a pie. Tina Sebastian will show you. Okay. All right. So I guess right here, this is the combination, and you should have crust and meat. Yeah.
What do you think?
It's okay. It's a Jamaican patty in a pie format without the spices.
Followed by a chip.
I'm not so big on chip. In England, they do vinegar and chip.
I didn't put vinegar on it
No,
because
no,
of
no.
you.
I'm only telling our subscribers that in England they put vinegar and chip. I'm used to salt, pepper, or ketchup and chip. You know?
Oh, very nice.
No. See? I was born in England. Anyway,
Oh, some other little essential British foods that we've missed and we can't get in Switzerland.
Yummy dodgers.
Recognise these? My British public. Jammy Dodgers! And what else?
Just snacks, nothing major. I was addicted to these when I lived in America. These are Hershey's white chocolate chip chocolate. Love them. So chocolates are not the same today as they were years ago, but I bought them just for old time's sake. Anyway, this cost £2.80.
That's a lot.
So, you know, it's expensive. You could get it cheaper.
I think so.
You know.
I don't know if you can get it cheaper now, but I think it's expensive. For when we used to live here and whatnot.
Well, I bought it for the experience to share between me and Jay. But that's it.
Yeah.
So, we'll stand back home and Z get some. So far, we're enjoying our time here in England. It's just our first couple hours, but it's good so far.
Definitely.
Until then,
Peace.
Ciao for now.
ciao for now. And there she is.
Hello, people.
Hi.
So, like we said, I was with Z. Z came home. This is actually the first morning.
Yeah.
Day 2. She came home late, cooked us a splendor of a meal. And you know how it is. We ate,
We
drank, and then
we slept.
So, we didn't vlog last night. So, the meal that she made for us was a welcome to England, welcome back to my own meal. Kind of outdone herself, if you know what I mean. So,
Actually, you didn't think I could cook, so.
people say they can cook all the time, you know, but I mean, when it comes to the test, but she threw down. She made,
Southern fried chicken, macaroni cheese, salad, garlic bread, all from scratch.
all from scratch. I actually witnessed most of it, you know, so she didn't sneak any takeout inside the house.
No plastic bags in the bin.
No, it was all Z, all original. And today she planned to do another showdown, you know.
A very British stew.
Is it?
Casserole.
Oh, casserole.
Casserole. So, for our subscribers out there, tell them what's a casserole. What's in your casserole?
Well, it's like a stew. I've got beef in there, chicken, I've got leeks, onions, potatoes, carrots, all that kind of thing, swede, and then I've made some homemade dumplings ready for later to go in it.
Okay, so sounds like we'll be heading back to Switzerland, a little overweight, but all in good spirits.
Yes.
Yeah, we're at Z's place, and we're gonna keep the vlog at your place. You know, probably do a little vlogging around the neighborhood. I mean, you live in. This is not Midlands. This is
East Midlands.
East Midlands.
She's in East Midlands. So I know most people, when we say we're going to England, most people think of London.
Yeah.
You know, where all the landmarks are and all the excitement. But I'm sure we can find some things here in East Midlands to wow a few guys.
Yes.
So we will try our best if we go out, because is it still sub-zero temperatures?
It's not too bad out there today. It's quite
The sun
nice.
is out.
When the sun is out in England, doesn't necessarily mean it's
No,
It's not
gonna
as
be
cold.
hot.
It's not as cold as what it was yesterday.
Yeah.
okay. So until the next time we log on.
Adios, amigos.
Okay.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.